Arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, are required in bedrooms in new construction and major renovations. This requirement is based on the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Arc fault receptacles are available. These receptacles are designed to detect and interrupt electrical arcs, which can help prevent electrical fires. AFCI devices are designed to detect potentially dangerous electrical arcs and interrupt the circuit within milliseconds. This rapid response helps prevent electrical fires that can be caused by loose connections, damaged wiring, or other electrical faults. AFCI receptacles are not required in all rooms of a home. However, they are required in bedrooms as well as other high-risk areas such as kitchens, living rooms, and family rooms. It's essential to understand the role of AFCIs in enhancing electrical safety. Electrical arcs can occur due to various factors, including damaged appliance cords, loose connections in outlets or wiring, and insulation breakdown. These arcs generate heat and can ignite nearby combustible materials, leading to a fire. Standard circuit breakers are designed to protect against overloads and short circuits, but they may not respond quickly enough to low-level arc faults. AFCIs, on the other hand, are specifically designed to detect the unique characteristics of arc faults and trip the circuit before a fire can start. There are two main types of AFCIs: branch/feeder AFCIs and outlet branch circuit AFCIs. Branch/feeder AFCIs are installed in the electrical panel and provide protection for the entire branch circuit. Outlet branch circuit AFCIs, often in the form of receptacles, provide protection at a specific outlet location. The NEC specifies where AFCI protection is required to enhance safety in residential occupancies. The requirement for AFCI protection in bedrooms reflects the fact that these are areas where people are often sleeping and may be less aware of potential hazards. In addition to bedrooms, AFCIs are commonly required in other areas of the home, such as living rooms, family rooms, dining rooms, and kitchens. The specific requirements may vary depending on the addition of the NEC and local amendments. It's important to consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes to determine the specific AFCI requirements in the area. When installing AFCIs, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and all applicable electrical codes. AFCIs should be installed by a qualified electrician to ensure proper wiring and operation. Before working on any electrical circuit, it's essential to turn off the power at the main breaker to prevent electric shock. When replacing a standard receptacle with an AFCI receptacle, be sure to properly identify the line and load conductors. The line conductors are the incoming power from the electrical panel, while the load conductors feed power to other outlets or devices downstream. The AFCI receptacle will have terminals specifically marked for line and load connections. Incorrect wiring can damage the AFCI receptacle or create a safety hazard. After installing the AFCI receptacle, test it to ensure that it's functioning properly. AFCI receptacles have a test button that, when pressed, should trip the device. If the AFCI receptacle doesn't trip when the test button is pressed, there may be a wiring problem or the device may be faulty. It's also important to periodically test AFCIs to ensure that they're still working correctly. The manufacturer's instructions will provide guidance on how often to test the devices. If an AFCI trips frequently, it may indicate a problem with the wiring or an appliance connected to the circuit. It's important to investigate the cause of the tripping and correct any problems before resetting the AFCI. Don't simply reset the AFCI repeatedly without addressing the underlying issue. AFCIs are an important safety device that can help prevent electrical fires. By understanding the requirements for AFCI protection and properly installing and maintaining these devices, electrical safety can be enhanced.